Ever wonder what secrets are hiding inside your photos? Well, let's go find out.
Believe it or not, every single photo you take has a hidden story. It's called EXIF metadata, basically a hidden layer of data baked right into the image.
This data can include your camera settings, timestamps, and even your exact GPS location.
So Exif is just the standard that stores this info, kind of like a digital fingerprint for your photo.
Okay, but why would you even want to edit this stuff? Well, there are some pretty good reasons. There are really 4 big ones: protecting your privacy, fixing errors, boosting SEO, and managing your copyright.
And yeah, that SEO part is huge. Google itself says this data helps your images get found.
All right, enough talk. Let's see how you can actually do this, starting on a Windows PC.
Windows actually has a tool for this built right in. Just right-click the file, go to Details, and Edit. But, and this is a big but, it's pretty limited. You can't edit things like GPS data this way.
Okay, so what about for you Mac users? The process is a little different.
The built-in Preview app is great for seeing the data, but it doesn't really let you edit much.
So the main point here, for full control on either system, you're going to need a dedicated tool. But what about your phone? Well, you can actually make some basic changes right on it. If you have a newer iPhone, you can easily tweak the date and location right in the Photos app. Android is a bit different depending on your phone, but a browser-based tool works for everyone.
Okay, but editing one photo at a time is a drag, so let's talk about bulk editing.
This is super useful for adding copyright to catalog or stripping GPS data from all your trip photos.
Yeah, dedicated tools can apply the same change to hundreds of files at once. It's a lifesaver.
So with all these options, how do you pick the right tool for the job?
Here's a quick breakdown. You can see browser-based tools give you the most flexibility, with no install needed.
And get this, the scale is massive. Some platforms process over 200,000 images every single month.
The big takeaway here? You have complete control over the hidden story your images are telling.
So now that you're in control, the only question left is, what story will your photo data tell?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit ExifInjector.com. Start free today.